Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer money from PayPal to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds smoothly and securely. Why do this? Kraken is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges, and linking it with PayPal can make your financial life easier. But remember, always double-check for any updates and policies, as things can change. First things first, make sure you have both a verified PayPal account and a Kraken account set up. This is crucial for security and to avoid any hiccups. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Transfer Funds. Here, you'll want to withdraw money to your linked bank account. It's important to note that PayPal doesn't directly integrate with Kraken, so this intermediate step is necessary. After initiating the withdrawal from PayPal, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to hit your bank account. Keep an eye on any fees. PayPal might charge a small amount for the transfer. Once the money is in your bank, log into your Kraken account. Go to the Deposit section and select your preferred currency, like USD. You'll need to add your bank account if you haven't already, and then initiate a bank transfer to Kraken. Kraken will provide you with specific instructions, including any required details like routing numbers. This process might take another 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank. Pro tip: use Kraken's verification tools to ensure everything is secure, and never share sensitive information. Once the funds are in your Kraken wallet, you're all set to trade cryptocurrencies. Always monitor your transactions and keep your accounts secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.